Alright, family, you're welcome back to the cyber community. My name is Oluwatobi Williams, and in this particular tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a very simple and sweet flyer for pizza. Okay, so I'm just going to this is just an advertisement flyer. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. Um, it's a very simple flyer, though, as you can see, very simple. So it's not going to take um much of our time. So without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. Okay, first what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to change it to the default page, and I'll delete this. Now I'll go to the background, so just come to this place and click on your background, and I'm going to change the background color. So I already have the color here. You can just go to this plus because I'm on gradients. Okay, so this is color, as we all know, and this is gradient. So you can just go to your plus button. This is what I did. Click on this place. I look for a color. You can just look at the color code here. The color code is F48A1E. So F48A1E for the first part, and this for the second part. Let's see the color code. This is FF7717. So FF7717. Now I'm going to click on mark. After doing that, I'm going to import the resources. Okay, so I'm going to import the resources, and I'm going to import the flyer too, so that it will serve as a guide. Okay, so let me just import. Okay, so as you can see, I have the flyer here and the resources for the design. Okay, okay, let's just, for now, let me hide this, or hide it for now, and I'll start positioning the stops one after the other. Okay, first, let's go with this. Let me just place this one somewhere around this place. Okay, no. I just say I want to put it somewhere around this place, and this, let me increase it a bit. um Now let me tell you something. The reason behind what I'm doing here is just to create a form of balancing. I've done everything, I've estimated everything before coming to design this. I don't know if you get. So the reason for this is not just, these are not just for decoration. Let me show you something. It's not just for decoration. As you can see, I'm just trying to make a balanced design here. So these two parts, I don't want it to be, if you are familiar with the rules of graphic design, one of the rules talks about balancing. Okay, talks about alignment. So your design needs to be aligned and balanced. Okay, so that it won't look as if so let's just go through the design. Let me off this for now, and the next thing I'm going to do here is to bring in this. Okay, have I locked it? Okay, let me lock this. Now just place it somewhere around this place. Okay, after doing that, um I want to make this thing more realistic. As you all know that it needs a shadow, okay, just to make sure it's like sitting on the this thing, like this one right here, okay. So what do I do? What do I do? How do I create a shadow? There are many ways you can create a shadow here. Let me look for one. Okay. uh, Let me click on shapes, and I'll change it to this, and I'll reduce. I think we normally use this in our tutorials, okay. And I'll come to this place, and I'll reduce it, something like this. Okay, are we good to go? Increase it a bit. Let's see. Wait. And I'll come here. You click on to back, increase it to something really nice. Are we cool? Okay. All right then. I think it's making sense. Yeah, I think it's making sense. Okay. Let me see something. If that should work. Wow. The shadow is thick, very thick. Should I remove it? I think we are cool with this. So just leave it like this. Shift it up a little bit. Okay. The next thing we're going to do here is to bring in the leaves. Let me bring in the leaves. Okay. And what I'm going to do here is to, you can crop out this because I only need this part. I only need this type of leaf, this blurry leaf. So you can crop it out, or better still, you erase it. Or I think I'm going to do both. I think I'm going to do both. So let me go to eraser. I think the leaf is somewhere around this place. Wow. Okay, so I'll reduce it. This is just to add some kind of beauty to the design. Okay. Okay. Let me just place it randomly. So let's just say there is one here. Don't create a little, don't create much emphasis on it though. Maybe there's another one here, and maybe we are having one here. Okay, so I think we should start bringing in our text. Let me bring in our text. Come to this place, click on a new text, and write delicious. Okay, so the font we are going to be using for this is let me go to my font. let's see, the font should be Glacier Demo. As you can see, this is the font right here. Okay, so this is the font we are going to be using for Delicious. So I hope by now you would have known how to install fonts into your PixelLab application. If you've not watched the video yet, or you've not known how to do that yet, check this video. There's a video right here popping up on the screen, so just check the video out. You are going to see the step-by-step guide to how to create it, okay, how to download and install fonts into your PixelLab application. Okay, so let's proceed. As you can see, there's a part cropping out from this font. I don't know if you noticed. So we're just going to go to our padding, click on padding, and increase it. As you can see, that that thing is coming out. Just focus on this place. Focus on this place. You can see. Let's go back. You can see that that thing is coming out. Okay. Now let's just leave it like this. Okay, and I'll make it a bit bigger. Now make sure it is at the middle. Position it at the middle. Okay, let me lock this up. Come on, mess up something for me. Now, the next thing we're going to be doing here is to bring in another text. Bring in another text and write. So, what are we advertising? What are we advertising? Pizza, of course. Pizza. Pizza. Delicious pizza. Okay, so let's change the font. Or should we use this font? Do you like it? Let's see. Okay, as you can see, this is an amazing font right here that we used. So let's go and check out for it. I think the name of that font is adverts. Yeah, adverts. You can see how beautiful it is. Okay. Let me reduce it a bit. Somewhere around this place. Okay. I just want to show you how to run through it. Okay. Just run through it. Okay. Now. The next thing we are going to be doing is let me add the price tag. So how do we add the price? How do I achieve this? Let me show you. As you can see, this is what I'm talking about. That's $16. $16. Okay, so how much are they selling the pizza? The pizza is $16. Okay, so but before we go, let me add something to this text to make it more, popping and giving. So just come to shadow and enable the shadow. Just work with the offsets. Okay, I think I can work with this, and I'll come to this place. Just come to this place to reduce the color. So we are using black. The shadow is black, so I'll just reduce the intensity of the shadow. So sorry for that. Okay, as you can see, we are having something more like the thing is popping out very well. Okay, thing is popping out very well. Let me see if I can still reduce it a bit. Okay, I think I like this. So let's proceed. Let's add the tag. I'll come to shape, click on shapes, and I'll select the type of shape I want. I think I used this. Yeah, just click on it. Now after clicking on it, let me see something here. Reduce the size and come to color. I think I used this color. So the color code is EEAF10. That's EEAF10. Okay, so let me see. I added the stroke and changed the color to a white color. Just love it like this. Let me see the stroke. So you can add the stroke in another dimension by making it like this, but I just prefer using the other stroke, okay, to give it a kind of stylish look. I don't know if you get. It gives it a kind of stylish look. If you look at this one, this is just a normal stroke, but if you should look at this, let me show you from here. Let me remove it, come back to edit. Where is my stroke? So let me just leave it at 15. Now as you can see, it's giving me a kind of style here that I love so much. Okay, so let me just work with the size. Let me just play around with the size and all that. Click on OK and place it somewhere around this place. Let me make it smaller, my dear, smaller. Okay, that's still too big. Okay, just take your time and to work with yours. Take your time, don't be in a rush. Okay, so I just want to guide us through how I came about the design. Now we're about to be done with the stuff. So the next thing we're going to be doing is to add another text. So you can just put any amount. I think I put $16. That's too big for now. Let me just let me check if I can see. Let me see my recent. I just want to look for a font that is given to use. My font is not coming. Let me try Archivo. So as you can see, I used Archivo here. Archivo narrow regular. Okay, so let's just use that for now. Just want to use it to save our time. Archivo narrow regular. And then as you can see, the thing is too big. I'm gonna reduce it. and let's go to the line, the spacing. Reduce the spacing. Reduce the spacing. I think 5 is okay. $16. Now increase the size a bit. 50, and I'll position it very well. Okay, just take your time to work with yours. Now the next thing we are going to be doing here is we are almost done with the design. Okay, we are almost done with it. So let's bring in our call to action, the order now. And lest I forget, I think I did something. I wrote something on this thing. You can just write something there. Let me show you. Okay, I think I will take a bite and enjoy a great taste of blah 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 blah. So you can just put something there. Okay, so let me bring in this first before I'll think about putting something there. Okay, bring in a shape. Okay, with 80, let this place be 20. Okay, are we good to go? So you can just add a bit of shadow to make it giving. So I reduce this reduce it. Okay, I think I can work with this for now. What next? Let me put a demarcation, bring in a shape. I'll change the color. Okay, let me work with the stuff very well. Just place it somewhere around this place and adjust, and can now move it upward a bit. Okay, perfect. Let's just add, you can just add something. I think I added an icon, but I don't think I need that now. Let me just write it first. Make an order. Sorry for that. Make an order now. Just change the font. We are using the same Archivo, and let's make it a black color. It's a black color. Place it here. um okay, so I'm going to copy. uh so you can just input your details. Okay, so yes, the icons, let me just bring in the two icons and we are done with the whole thing. Okay, so here we are with the first one. Let me work with it first. Now check what I'm going to do here. I don't know if I've done this before in one of our tutorials. You can actually remove a white background from an icon like this, so on PixelLab, without using any other software to remove it. So what you just do is that just come to this place, erase color. As you can see, I think we've done this before. Just click on erase color and click on this place. Can you see that the white background has automatically been removed? So you can just work with the tolerance and all that. Okay, now the next thing we are going to do here is to change the color. As you can see, the color is not totally a black color, so let's just change the color to a black color. Okay, and you reduce the size to something very small, and you place it here. Just place it here. So let's bring in the second icon. So this is the second icon actually. Just click on it. Repeat the same process. Erase color, erase it, and reduce the size. Something really small, and move it downwards. So as you can see, so you can go ahead by making those texts a little bit bigger, so you can make them a bit bigger, okay, and adjust them very well so that it will be, or not to create too much of emphasis on it. Just make sure you are working with a perfect or let me just say good alignment, if not perfect yet. Just to make sure you are doing something really nice. Okay, so this is the end of the flyer. As you can see, we've been able to create something amazing. Okay, so thank you very much for sticking around to the end of the video. I hope the video has been helpful. So if it has been helpful, go give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button if you've not done so, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop interesting and educative videos like these ones, you get notified directly from YouTube. So you can go ahead and add your text here, like the one I did here, like this one. Okay, so you can add it. And so thank you very much for sticking around. See you in the next one.